Today we're doing another easy one and we're going to make these amethyst triangle earrings. This is to match our bracelet in the previous video. And welcome to Beaded by Malia. This is the list of items you are going to need for this beautiful earrings that you're going to create. It's a nice short list, meaning it's a nice easy project. I decided to make some triangular earrings using the amethyst crystal stones. I think they are beautiful and they always come out so nicely. So at the moment I am sorting out some flat amethyst crystals because it's just going to fit nicely on the eye pin wire. Oh, you will need a round nose plier to end off the eye pin as well with a loop. Now we're adding some stones to the eye pin, making sure that we have enough space to loop on the other side. Now using the round nose plier to make the loop. Making sure that the loops are aligned by using another plier. Then we will do the exact same for the next earring. Now we're going to make an eye loop on both eye pins that does not have the beads, because this will be connected to the one that has the beads. There is definitely a better way of making these eye loops. I did it the hard way, but in my next videos I will do a much easier way that makes it more equal and looks much better, promise. Now let's connect the eye pins to the eye pin with a bead so that we can create a triangle and add the earring loop. Final step, adding the jump ring and then adding the earring hook to both of these, and then we are done. And there you have it, your triangular earrings with an amethyst stone and your matching bracelet that we did in the previous video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you do enjoy this content. I am posting more and more and more. I'll post a whole bunch. And I hope that you guys enjoyed. Have an amazing day. Cheers.